Hello everyone, this is just a short video on how I was able to bring back to life my Archeer A320 Bluetooth speaker. That's it there, plain. Sorry for the bad lighting. But what I did, or what happened, it stopped charging. To Archeer's credit, I did contact them, and they did send me out a brand new speaker, which I gave to my daughter. But I wanted to fix the one that wasn't working. What I did, I opened it up and discovered that it had these, I can't think of the name of these batteries. I think they're 1865, 1885s or something like that. You can look it up. It had two. I took them out, tested them. One was bad. So I believe that was the first problem, was bad batteries. Also, there's this piece that the batteries were connected to. I'm not sure what it is. I just assumed that it was two batteries connected together, and in some type of way this little device managed the battery output or charging or whatever. But what I did, I downloaded the manual for the A320, and I noticed that the power for the battery was 7.4 volts. And I'm like, wait a minute, I have I believe this is a Panasonic battery that was also 7.4 volts. So I opened up the A320, I connected the battery, nothing happened. I connected the battery charger, the red lights flashed rapidly, like it did when the battery stopped charging. So what I did, I removed this little board here that connected the two batteries together. So I don't know if it was a combination of this board going bad and maybe the batteries going bad, but guess what? When I connected this battery, the speaker turned on. I'm like, oh, okay. I didn't know if this had, once again, I didn't know what this little board was used for. I didn't know it was used for charging or whatever. So I tried connecting the battery to this little board to the speaker, nothing happened. Still the red flashing light, no charging. So when I removed this and the speaker came on and just running off the battery. This is the second battery. The other battery is installed in the speaker, which you can hear playing. I installed the battery and it simply worked. So what I did inside the speaker, and there's another video that someone did on what's inside the Archeer A320 speaker, so I'm not going to go into dismantling the speaker to show you what I did, but I just connected the red terminal to the positive and the black terminal to the negative. There are two little brackets that you'll find inside the speaker where the batteries go, even though it's only using one battery. But what I did, because this battery is a little bit longer than this battery and it won't fit in the bracket, so what I had to do was break off the bottom of the bracket so this battery would fit flush or would sit further down in the holder for the batteries originally that was this. And there's a strap, a little tie down that I simply screwed down and replaced it, put the whole thing back together, plugged in my USB charging cable, and voila, the thing works. You can hear it. There we see the charging cable is still plugged in, and we see the red light for charging. Trying to get it to focus here. You see the red light for charging, and if I remove my charging cable, you see the speaker still plays, and it's playing off that battery that I installed inside. Let's see if we can get it to focus here. I know we're not really concerned about focusing or seeing it. You more want to hear the speaker and everything. So, and it's actually working pretty nice. So that was how I was able to get my Archeer A320 back to working again, was using this battery. You can see the number there. I can't remember what it is. I had a newer LED light that used this particular battery. But get the number there. Go to eBay, go to Amazon, disconnect this little piece here, cut it out, connect the positive and the negative to the battery, reinstall, hook everything back up, and it just worked.